Hello, everyone. My name is Ray, and I wanted to say congratulations, right? This isn't an easy process, and those in power have made it difficult to get into crypto. So by going through all these hurdles and over these hurdles, right, you're telling them that you had enough of the control and it's time for things to change. So people all around the world are taking action with you and coming together. And when we're unified around a common goal, we can accomplish great things. So let's not waste any more time and do the final step, and let's get this AI token. Okay. Up here, let me do a little house cleaning and show you a couple things about your MetaMask. Okay. First, it should be up in this toolbar. Okay. And if you're using Firefox, you're using Chrome, whatever browser you're using, there should be a little puzzle piece up here where you could click that. And this is Firefox, so it doesn't have a pin. But if you're using Google Chrome, right, there's a little pin up here, and it will pin that little fox up there, this little orange guy. And you want it up there. It's easier to use, okay? And then if you're using Firefox, like I'm using here, you would just hit that and then hit the little toggle switch, and it would put the little guy up there in your toolbar. So I just, again, just kind of showing you some things that you kind of need to know if you're using MetaMask. Second thing, this is what the website you're on, okay? And when you're down here, this address right here, okay, this address is the address for wPE. And you have to copy it. Make sure you don't get any spaces at the end or at the beginning, okay? That's how important it is over here with this kind of stuff. You have to have it exact, or it just won't come out, right? But down here, this is what you do to add the token. You have to add the token, right? And let me see and get the right wallet. First, here it is, wPE. And I never added in here. I haven't added the token. So if you can see right here, it says import tokens. Very important right there. Okay, that's where you hit and click to add that address. The other thing is it says custom token, right? You have to click that, and you will paste that address. You see it pop in, wPE, and it has 18 decimals. Don't need to worry about any of that. You just add custom token. And then the next screen comes up, import token. So now that token address is in your MetaMask wallet. Now we just got to buy it. And that's all we're going to do now. I'm going to go back, and we will swap. This is the button right here, okay? You just click swap, right? And I will put in, I guess, because it says your ETH that's available right here. I got 0.06. So I will put 0.05 just to be safe. You always need gas money when you're dealing with the Ethereum blockchain, okay? And then I will put wPE. And it comes up because I put the address in there, right? If you didn't do that first step, you won't be able to find it. So it's very important. Put the address in there, and there you go. Now you have added that token. This token has been added manually, so that's because there's nowhere else to buy it, right? This is Uniswap. This MetaMask, only places to buy it. Verify this token. I know it is. That's why I put it in there. And you just hit continue, okay? And then all you're going to do is review swap. I'm going to review it. It's fetching the quotes, and it's going through there. It's telling you that max gas fee could be $20, or it's more likely going to be around 10. So that's what that looks like. The other thing you want to look down here, sometimes you got to give it time to come up with the best prices, or go find it, because it is looking for it on a smart contract. So now that the button has turned blue, right, all I'm going to do is hit swap. And it is doing its thing. Okay, so you just sit here, wait. Sometimes it's only like a minute or two, and then you will see that your Ethereum has left your wallet, and now wPE is now sitting in your MetaMask wallet. And like I said, sometimes it just takes a bit. All right, transaction complete. You see it up here. I'm going to close it, and I will open up the MetaMask again by just hitting the little tool up there. You close. And now you can see that my Ethereum is left, and now I have wPE. And congratulations again. All right, thanks. Have a good one.